So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a voiceover here on VN Video Editor. So if I wanted to add a voiceover to my wonderful video right here, I want you to go to where it says tap to add music and select that. And then in the bottom right, select record. Once you're here, you can record your voiceover and it'll show you sort of where it's playing. So for example, if I wanted to record a voiceover of me doing the countdown as well, I will just go ahead and press this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If that seems good, you can go ahead and play it. Press this. 5, 4, 3. And there's my voiceover. If this looks good to go, press the check mark right here. And if you were to go ahead and press this, 5, it'll then play the recorded audio that you just used as a voiceover. So pretty simple, pretty cool. But that's how you guys can add a voiceover here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.